Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Canvas student background color. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As a student in Canvas, you cannot directly change the background color of the entire Canvas interface. However, you can adjust certain visual elements and customize your experience using the Canvas student app and your web browser settings. So the first thing that you can do is head over and log into your account, and once logged in here, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen or your interface. Now all you gotta do is just change the background in the browser if you're using it from the browser by using an extension like Stylus or Dark Reader. Going to the Chrome Web Store, then search for Stylus or Dark Reader, install the extension, and then follow the extension instructions to activate and customize settings to change the background color. Now for the app, while the Canvas Student app does not allow for custom background colors, it does offer a dark mode which can be easier on the eyes in the low light conditions. So what you can do is just simply scroll down the notification bar, and here you'll be able to see the dark mode option, or just head over to the settings and then look for the theme option and choose dark. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.